Okay, I should be live. That's pretty good. But today's live stream, I haven't done one in a while actually. I think the last time I live streamed was for that um, Belle Delphine reading. that was something. But yeah, this whole live stream is just because I can't be bothered to actually edit a video. I'm just being completely honest with you guys. But um, yeah, this video is basically meant to guide you guys through how to fix blurry applications and games. And my first example of this is work at a pizza place on Roblox. Because Roblox just wasn't coded with screen scaling in mind. Um, because it's one of those programs that when you use display scaling, like in my case, I'm using a 15-inch screen, so I have to have my scaling at 125% in order to actually have everything look nice and readable. And I'm playing on a 1080p screen. So if we take a look at the actual game itself, when it loads, you can see that it's actually pretty blurry, and even it's affecting my MSI Afterburner readings. But yeah, the whole reason why it's blurry, I might have said this before, but it's because Roblox didn't have that in it didn't have display scaling in mind. And when you display scale it, Roblox, it doesn't quite know what to do, so it takes the regular textures and all of that and just kind of stretches it. It doesn't make new ones, it just takes the old regular ones and stretches it. And that's what sometimes happens with other programs too. So, in order to fix this, you can either go into your display settings and turn off your scaling so that it's at 100%, which is your regular one. But personally, I like being able to see my actual screen, so that's not really an option here. Instead, what you can do is go into your search and search for the program. And in the case of Roblox, it's really a pain in the butt because every time Roblox updates, you have to go back and repeat this procedure over and over again. And with the amount of times that Roblox updates, it can be like once or twice a week. So ideally, you're going to have to just say screw it and just deal with the blurriness. But in my case, I don't mind doing that. But another thing you should look out for is the difference between the Microsoft Store Roblox app and the web-based one. But we're using the web-based one, so open File Location, and it will show in the Start menu. But with my version of Windows 10, you can change the compatibility from here. You're just going to go over to the Compatibility tab, High DPI Settings, and override the scaling. Click Apply and OK. And next time you run Roblox Player, it should work. But in the case where you may not exactly have the options for compatibility from the shortcut, if it opens up in the Start menu, you're going to want to go to the actual file location, which will be wherever your main drive is, or whatever your drive letter is for your main storage device. And you're going to want to click on Roblox Player, specifically the launcher here, and you're going to go into Compatibility. And I didn't know that I could do that, but I'll do that later. Change high DPI settings, and it should be here. Okay, apply, okay. And when you go start it again, it should be a lot smaller. That's going to be the only problem. You're going to eventually get used to it if you play it like this, but everything is a lot smaller. The chat is smaller. The player list is a lot smaller too. But you will get used to it after a while. And if you can't read that, then you're just going to have to settle for blurry gameplay. That's pretty unfortunate that Roblox doesn't actually support screen scaling, but in the end, you can't really do much about it. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I wanted to show you guys. I hope that I was actually live this time, because I did this exact same thing like 50 times because I didn't realize that I wasn't live, and it sucked. So yeah,